2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lamps, compass, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, power seat, front reading lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.